Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Nwaeze David, and in this video I'm going to show you the app that paid me to watch videos. So before now I've not really put any attention into any of these apps, but I decided to try one out, and after 7 days of me watching videos on the app, I tried to withdraw my earnings and this happened. Yeah, I got paid instantly in my local currency. That's crazy, right? Alright, so before we proceed, this video is not in any way sponsored. I'm just sharing this with you because I want you to try it out and let me know if it pays you as well. Now, before I tell you the name of this app, I would like to share my screen and show you how this app works. Also, I will withdraw and show you the credit alert. You should be excited at this point, I believe. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment, show me the money in the comment section, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so I'm gonna share my screen right now to show you how this works. Right, so the first thing you need to do after you've installed the app is to open it, enter your registration details, your phone number, your email, confirm it, and you get to this screen. Now, if definitely you can watch videos and accumulate leads which can be exchanged for dollars, you can now withdraw it, or you can refer friends. Any person you refer, you get up to $15. You can buy glasses to earn more money. There are different ways to make more money on the app. You can try them out on your own. But right now, I've not really tried any of this. I didn't do any referral, no nothing. I just watched some videos and accumulated this list. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your earning. Now, the first thing you need to do, click on this page that said Earn. I've clicked on it. This is the page that will show up. Go ahead and click the upper side here, the wallet. Click on it. As you can see, I have up to $5 here. So I'm going to click on Sell Lee. Now, once you click on that, uh, the page is gonna come up where you're gonna select the currency you want to sell the Lee in. Now I'm in Nigeria, so I'm gonna select Nigeria. Select Nigeria. Good. Now, if you can see from the screen right now, I selected Nigeria, and this box here is showing red because I didn't put any amount of Lee I want to sell here. So to put in the highest amount of Lee I have, I'm just gonna click on this uh text that said max. Click on max, and it will automatically populate the highest amount of Lee I have currently, which is 2.99 leads. So now if you scroll down, you'll see the amount you're going to receive. Say you will receive 6,860 naira. Now this is the equivalent of this Lee that I'm gonna withdraw. By default, it's supposed to be higher than that, but because they are taking 30% commission, okay, they're just taking 30% commission, so you're going to get this amount. Now remember, I'm trying this on a free. I've not bought any glasses. I'm not upgraded to their premium glass on editing. It's just the free version. Now, once you upgrade, I think this commission will be less and you can make more. But you can try it out for yourself, make some money, then you can maybe use the money to now buy the glasses and upgrade. So I'm just showing you the free how to do it without spending any money, without spending anything. Okay. Now, once you've entered all these details, go ahead and click on confirm. Now it's gonna prompt you again to confirm. You want to sell? Yes, I want to sell. I'll confirm it. Now we are going to be redirected to a browser where we are going to fill in our bank details. You're going to put your number, your details. Now remember the details you use in opening your Lee account, your Chile account. Now this, enter your IBAN. This is International Bank account number. I'm gonna enter it here. I'm using Senate Bank, so I'm gonna use continue Senate Bank. I'm gonna put in my details. I'm gonna select the bank. I'm using Zenith. Zenith. Okay, hold on. Zenith. Yeah, the hell is Zenith? It's supposed to be down here. Sorry. Okay, yeah, this is Zenith Bank. I've selected it. Now confirm your details and make sure it's correct and click on continue payouts. Now it's gonna redirect us to Chile app where we are going to uh confirm that the order has been placed. Say order completed. As you can see, it's pending. Now once you've done, you can go ahead and wait within a day to 3 days. That's 72 hours. Between the moment you made this transaction and 3 days,
you should receive their money in your bank account. As you can see, my balance is now zero on the wallet. Is now zero balance. Now I'm going to get my phone because I don't receive credit alert on this phone, but I'm going to get another phone and show you the exact amount I withdrew. That's 6,000 something, right? I'm going.
Alright guys, take a look at this. This is the exact amount we withdrew right now on the app. I just code credited instantly, as you can see here. So go ahead and try this out and let me. Alright, now you see me do this on my phone and get paid. I want you to do the same. Let's see if you get the same result. The name of the app is Chile and you can download it using the link in the description of this video. After downloading the app, all you need to do is register with your phone number and your email address, then start watching videos. When you have accumulated at least 2 leads, which is around $5, you can withdraw it and see for yourself if this works or not. Now, seriously, I'd like to know if this works for you, okay? So let me know in the comment section. As always, like this video, share it with your friends on social media, and make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates. See you next time.